Let's learn on how to delete YouTube videos on mobile devices. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Protech Tutor. Do not forget to like and subscribe for my channel Tutor for more useful tips and tricks. So, let's get started. First step is to open the YouTube app on your mobile devices. So, once it is open, just simply tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. Now, tap on your videos option. You can scroll down or up to check the entire list of your videos. Once you find a video that you want to delete, hit at these three dots located next to video's title. Now, tap on Delete on the bottom of screen. To confirm your action, hit on Delete. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your video on YouTube on your mobile. If you have any other questions or video ideas, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.